Hey everybody, welcome to AI DIY. AIDIY.tech is the website. I'm the AI music guy. Welcome to week 47 of my featured artists. Okay, as mentioned, here we go. First of all, submit your songs. Here's the link. It's aidiy.tech/contact, which is awesome. Some of you are submitting some really great songs. I'm reaching back out to you and saying, yeah, that's fantastic. Love your song. Send me an intro. And if you don't know what an intro is, probably haven't been watching this channel for very long, which is fine. I love having new subscribers, but what happens is I don't want to introduce your songs. What I want is this place to be different. I want you to have a chance to shine and show who you are, be a little bit different. And when you connect that way, I ask you as the audience and the community member here to follow on. And if you like that song, I'm going to play a little bit of a clip of 5 artists. If you like those artists, the links are down below and you can go there and leave a comment and subscribe. That's the whole point of this segment. Like I've mentioned previously in other weeks, it's the least watched segment because it's the least shocking or whatever. I don't know. Or it's the less current news or whatever. But there's a very committed community here that tune in every week. And if they like your songs, or if they just want to encourage, they do. And I ask if you are featured, you become part of that community and you do the same. The links are below to those artists and their full songs. Go there, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. The reason I say that is now you're part of this group, I ask you to include an intro. If I ask you for a song, and I'll send you the link, it's aidiy.tech/intro. What I ask you to do is just do something special. Record yourself, get an AI bot to say something about the song you're about to say. I ask that you keep it to 1 minute because I don't want to play 30 seconds of your song and have a 5-minute intro. But you have that time, stand out. If you want to plug a charity, something like that, that's fantastic. Also, this recording, I'm just going to be straight up. I'm using this particular recording for a few weeks because I'm most likely going to be overseas at the time. So this recording here, I'm going to reuse a few times, which is fine because the message is the same. If you like this segment, please subscribe below. If you want to support my channel, you can do a donation. The link is to a PayPal thing in the description. Buy a t-shirt like I've mentioned before. If you want to send me a t-shirt, send me a free t-shirt, send me a coupon code or whatever. I'm not starving for t-shirts. I have plenty of t-shirts, but I've mentioned before that this segment belongs to you. I do everything I can to promote you. I've got 2 t-shirts so far. One of them I'm waiting for in the mail. I will wear your t-shirt for this segment to promote you even more. Thanks Main Records also for coming up with the idea. I'll have a QR code for you to scan and a link to that person's shop when I get t-shirts. So reach out to me, when we're talking about your songs and all that, and I want to feature it. So I support the John Fawcett Foundation. That's the charity I support. Check on the website. There's a description. There should be some videos to talk about it. It's basically a charity in Indonesia that restores eyesight to people who can't afford that. But if you want more details, either go to the John Fawcett Foundation website or check my webpage. Do a donation if you'd like. I'd really appreciate that. We've raised over $500 on this channel to go to that charity. So I appreciate everybody who's donated to me or the charity, everybody who's bought a t-shirt, everybody who might be sending me a t-shirt as well. Thank you, everybody. But what you're here for is to hear the 5 featured artists and the intros. So I hope you enjoy these this week and probably for the next 5 weeks, seeing the same video over and over. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Hey, Detour Soundscape here. Firstly, welcome to our channel. Secondly, a huge thanks to Matt at AI DIY, the AI music guy, for bringing the AI music community together and showcasing the creativity and amazing music that it has to offer. So here at Detour Soundscape, we make cinematic rock, music that mixes heavy guitars, big orchestral sounds, and vocals that hit with emotion. Think of it like a soundtrack for stories that haven't been told yet. Sometimes it's dark and atmospheric, other times it's huge and explosive, but it's always made to pull you in. If you want music that feels epic and alive, you're in the right place. Stick around, hit subscribe, and step into the soundscape. Introducing our latest song, Cut to the Bone. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for listening.
Get out of my head. cut too deep. I tried to block it out for years, but the sound is still right here. I can't pretend it's gone, but I guess in my chest it's holding on. Every day I choke it back. It still finds a way to attack. I don't want this, I don't need this. I'm sick of living on repeat. You build me up just to break me down, and I can't breathe beneath the static.
Hi Matt. Hi everyone. This is Midnight Mike X. It's the first song on an upcoming album I have, which you can catch the playlist on Suno. I haven't put much up on YouTube for a while. Kind of laying low. I've been re-recording my songs. I'm attempting to take AI to live. Thank you for listening. Matt, I love everything you do for the community, bro. Midnight Mike X.
And with the local ICT news, Midnight Mike X making a long overdue come up. But tonight, I'll call it a comeback to the mellow Cool J days. Hip-hop blood in my veins, heavy metal in my soul. Drop the bass low, make the mosh pit go kaboom, exploding right through you, hip-hopping all over you. Heads bobbing, headbangers banging, music industry fading, no crime, so call the cops off. No comparison, you're lost. Keep staring, I'm the new undisputed champ of hip-hop. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. Come attack, I'll knock you out. Mama said knock you out. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out. Don't you call this no regular jam? I'm gonna hit this music world like an asteroid, a space invader you can't avoid, stirring up a meteor storm. Hip-hop and heavy metal conjoined, mosh pit and Bob about to set this shit off. Just like Mike Tyson, they called him Iron Mike. Hit so hard, knock you out of sight, ears bleeding like I took a bite. Go ahead and call the fight, headbang with me, the lyrical psycho. When you hear this beat, you will know. Bass drop low, get ready for your mind to blow. Kaboom, a tribute, kaboom. LL Cool J cannot dispute. Kaboom.
Hello, my name's Christopher Holloway. I'm an author from Australia. For the past 15 years, I've been co-writing a novel with Deborah Brown, a story called Sundara, which we plan to publish early next year. While editing, I wanted to bring a bard's performance to life, and since I struggled to hear songs from written lyrics alone, I turned to Suno to craft the music. That single experiment sparked something larger. Soon Deborah and I were writing more songs, exploring our world through music and giving voice to the bards who inhabit our story. From there, the idea grew into the Bards of Dern, a post-grunge-inspired project with full albums, music videos, and now a channel to share both the lore and the soundscape of Sundara. The video featured here is from our first rock album, Dernfall, available on YouTube Music and Spotify, with more folk songs and performances on the way. Thank you for letting me share the journey.
Crack feet on the Redstone Mile, eyes like glass, no face, no smile. Dust in the mouth, blood in the throat. They don't speak, they only float. torn from beds, from firelight safe, dragged by cords they can't erase. Each note a hook, each chord a chain, each whisper sings away their name. No will, no way, no why, no when, just walking till the song ends. And the strings cry low, come home, come home. Voices they don't know sing soft and groan. Down the veil-struck path they slide, marked in soul they cannot hide. Every step not theirs to take, but still they walk, still they break.
Hello, this is Hollow Dreams. Our music is unique, blending dance with electronic and infusing it with lyrics that speaks to one's heart. Let our music be your escape.
Sugar smooth and clear, but I know how your lies appear, like diamonds pressed in serpent teeth. You kiss with cuts beneath the sweet. You thought I'd melt like before, but I'm colder than the war. You left me in and now you're back, but I don't crack. Your tongue is glass, your truth is thin. One wrong move and bleed again. You beg me soft with lover's guilt, but I'm not drowning in what we built. Your glass don't used to blind me, now I see. You break too easily. Now you miss me, now you remember. Now you miss me, now you remember. Now you miss me.
Silk Vinyl Soul, it all started from my love for the nostalgic 80s and 90s music. I wasn't chasing fame, I was chasing sound. Writing stories and letting AI help shape the music I heard in my head. It's soul with a twist, the nostalgic 80s and 90s blended with boom bap and neo-soul rhythms. Silk Vinyl Soul is more than music. It's a vibe, a mood, a heartbeat for people who grew up on soul and still crave it today. Come ride with us. Subscribe now on YouTube at Silk Vinyl Soul.
It's 2 a.m. and the room is quiet. I hear him breathing, yeah, he's out like a light, but my heart's racing, suspicion creeping. I grab his phone while he's still sleeping. Scrolling through, I don't see a thing. No hidden numbers, no late night flings. Feeling guilty, yeah, I caught myself. He opens his eyes and says, girl, what the hell? But instead of fighting, he just starts to laugh. I drop the phone, can't take it back. He shakes his head, says, baby, please, you've been watching too much TV. Ooh, thought I caught you, but the joke's on me. Searching for shadows where there's no mystery. Now I'm the one with explaining to do. Cause at 2:30 my phone ding too. Cause at 2:30